Baby, we cute now. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, let's handle some business first. While you here, you might as well go ahead, subscribe, hit the like button, drop a comment down there, and go ahead and turn on your post notifications so you'll never miss a video from me. And now back to your regular scheduled programs. Today, I am going to be showing you how I achieve this glam, this very soft glam, using very affordable products. So, if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already moisturized my skin and my brows off camera. So now I'm going straight in with the primer. This is the NYX Bear With Me primer. And if y'all have not tried it, baby, try it before you get that Milk Hydro Grip primer. Like the consistency is like really like jelly like, but once it sinks into your skin, like it really moisturizes it. I don't think I found a better drugstore primer than this. NYX really did that with this one. So I'm just going to go in and finish moisturizing my face, and like it doesn't really leave like a tacky feeling like everybody's talking about. I don't know, but makes my skin feel really moisturized. Anyways, so now I'm going in with my Superstay foundation. This is in the shade 356 Warm Coconut. If you watch my previous makeup videos, you know this is nothing new to my channel. This is my favorite drugstore foundation, unless y'all can find me another one. But until then, I will use this to death. So right now, I'm just going to go in and dab that all over my skin. You can see all I did was literally, I think that was one pump, maybe two. Let me quit lying to y'all. I think it was 2 pumps, but I mean, it gives you the full coverage that you need. So now I'm going in with my favorite drugstore concealer. Like, I guess this is just my favorite drugstore products today that I'm using. But anyways, this is the Milani concealer. This is in the shade 165 Deep Tan. And I'm just gonna highlight in the places that I normally highlight. Now I'm just going in with that same beauty blender that I use for my face. I'm going to use the other side to blend that out. So now that is all blended out, and if y'all have not tried this Makeup Revolution Banana Deep Powder, then sis, you are definitely sleep. I love this powder, and I just got it a couple days ago, but it gives you like this really airbrushed look, and I think that's what I like the most about it. So I'm just gonna dab the excess that's on this sponge and go in and set all the places I highlighted. So now I'm just going in with my iconic Kiss lashes in the style 15. I'm gonna apply those off of camera, and I'll be right back. But we cute now. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, this is the glam part. Like, everything else is soft, but I saw a lot of people doing eyeshadow. Still waiting for my eye brushes to come in, so can't do any eyeshadow lips. So I just put on some Glam lashes. So now, okay, y'all, I have not found a better drugstore setting powder for all over face that can beat this Fenty one. But like I said, if y'all do find some, y'all please let me know, because that what is this at? This Banana Deep one by Makeup Revolution, yeah, that's it for the under eyes, but I can't find something like for the all over face. That's why I don't mind splurging. I don't mind splurging on the setting powder, because I feel like that is a very important part. You don't want to be going around looking ashy and things. So I'm just gonna continue to apply that all over my face. Now onto the lips. I am going to be using the NYX lip liner and espresso. And can y'all guess how many times I said favorite in this video? Because I'm about to say it again. My favorite NYX lingerie lipstick. Yeah, this is a liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Delicate Lust. And first I'm gonna drop the product. Then I'm gonna apply this all over my lips. Now that's all of my lips. I am going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I want to try a new setting spray, but I haven't found anything that topped this. I kind of want to splurge on the all-nighter spray. I thought about doing it for Black Friday, but I was like, I don't know if it will be better than this. But if y'all got some options, y'all let me know. So gonna go ahead and set my face. And also another trick to let that dry down quickly, I am just going in with that same beauty sponge that I use for my foundation to blend that out. Yeah, I really love this lipstick. Like, it's giving me, I don't know, like, this my type of vibe. Like, I really love dark lipsticks, but this one, this it. She it right here. Okay, so I'm being really ghetto in this video, so y'all really apologize to me, because this ain't me. I think I need some okay, if I don't need caffeine because I'm already hyper, what will I need? I don't know. That was random, off subject. But anyways, going in with this Kaepop by Colourpop highlighter, same one I always use, and applying that to the hollows of my cheeks. And y'all know how I like to OD on the highlight, because that is definitely my favorite part besides the lashes. Oh, baby, it's beaming. I see you, girl, baby girl. Okay, so this is the final look. Very, very, very soft glam. Popping lashes, popping highlight, popping lipstick. Okay, but anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching my video. I know I've been gone for a very long time, but I promise you that won't happen again, because I got content coming back to back to back to back. Y'all don't even know it. But if you like my video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, you guys.